We'll guide you through how to make a hidden door in Minecraft. So what you want to do is come to a place, we've got a few blocks which stick out in front as it will help hide it. And then what you want to do is temporarily go and break these like so, and you want to decide where you want your door entrance to be. In this case, I want it to be here, so therefore I'm going to go and delete these others as well. Then what you want to do is go and place 2 sticky pistons like so, and we will need to come in the back here. And then you want to go and break a block like so, put a redstone torch at the bottom here, and then a block on top, and another bit of redstone dust on top. Then what you want to do is go and break down 2 blocks like so, until you go and get in front of your door, just here. Put a repeater there, and then what you want to do is go and use your redstone dust and come along here, break 2 more blocks and put a bit of redstone dust there, and you can then go and cover it all back up again. And just to show you it working, then all you need to do is go and grab a lever and place it down, and you can then go and switch it, and you can then open your base. Now what you can do is go and hide all of this, just like so. I've now gone and hidden it, and then to go and access it, all you need to do is go and place a lever down in front of where your door is and right click on it, and as you can see, it will then go and open up, and we can then go and make a base in here. And then you can go and shut it, and you can then remove your lever, and it's hidden.